Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the implementation of graph visually through Python. For this, we have to import three libraries in a Python-based IDE compiler. After importing the respective libraries, we create a graph object named, let's say, G. Okay, now our graph is created, but still the graph is empty. So we need to insert the nodes by passing the nodes values in the parameter of a function called addNodes. We insert few more nodes to the graph. Let's say node 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now how our graph is actually look like, we call a function called draw. But still the graph has no label show it showing it, so we call another function called nx.draw, passing the parameters g comma with underscore labels equals to 1, and again we call a function called draw, so we can see our graph how it actually looks like. Here it is showing in the graph with nodes and with labelings on it. We can also change the color of our graph through a function called nx.draw, passing the parameters g comma with underscore labels equals to 1 comma node comma underscore color equals to c. So you can see now our graph's color has changed. Now we can see here that there is no edge between the nodes, so we can create edges between nodes with a function with an inbuilt function called g dot add underscore edge, passing the parameters 1 comma 2. And so on. We will pass parameters like 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 5 comma 6 in the respective functions parameter. And again we can call a function and draw to see that our edge is created or not. So we call a function called nx.draw in the parameter passing g comma with underscore labels equals to 1 comma node underscore color equals to r. So that's how you make a basic graph digitally with Python, and it is showing a red color on the nodes. And we also have some inbuilt functions through which we can draw the graph directly. So that's how our graph actually looks like, with edges and labeling on it. We have some inbuilt functions for creating graphs like path graph, cyclic graph, complete graph. So first we create a path graph by calling a function called p equals to next nx dot path underscore graph, passing the parameter 6, so we can have a graph path graph of 6 nodes. So here we can see our path graph with 6 nodes with edges between them. Now to create a cyclic graph, we call a function called cycle underscore graph, passing the parameter 6 of 6 nodes, and let's check it whether our graph is created or not by calling a function, the same function, draw function. And passing the parameters in it like g comma with underscore labels equals 1. Now here if we can see that our cyclic graph is created. Now to create another graph called complete graph, we can call another inbuilt functions, and the function is like d equals to nx dot complete underscore graph, passing the parameter as usually 6. And to see our complete graph is created or not, we call the same function and draw same function and passing the parameters in it, g comma with underscore labels equals 1 comma node underscore color equals to y. So here we can see that our complete graph is also created with nodes of yellow color, so we can change the color of the nodes. So this is how we can create graphs visually. So please like, share and subscribe to this video, which we helps me in getting internal marks for this video assignment. So please do like, share and subscribe.